morning to all the members of LDT family. Are you all listening me?
Yes.
So good morning everyone, all the members of LDT family. This is Anushka from 9th standard. I welcome you all here in this meeting assembly of 19th January 2020. So let's start our today's assembly by remembering God, whose blessing boosts our energy to lead through the obstacle of life. So I request my friend Yashasvi to please lead us with prayer.
हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, क्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम, शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम, हाँ विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम, तुम्हीं से है आवाज तुम्हीं अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छूले हम, गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छूले हम, हाँ इतना बने महान गगन को छूले हम, तुम्हीं से है हर सुबह तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु।
Thanks, Sister Sweet, for leading us with prayer. Next, just like we daily need bath, we need daily days of motivation. For that, I would like to call Sudha to speak out her motivational words.
Yes, Sudha, you can unmute yourself now. You are the co-host.
Kill the negativity of your mind before it kills you. With this beautiful line, a very warm and pleasant morning. Today I am here for some quotes. So today's quotes is: मंजिलें भी जिद्दी हैं, रास्ते भी जिद्दी हैं, देखते हैं कल क्या होगा, इरादे भी जिद्दी हैं. Things have a way of working themselves out if we just remain positive. तेरे गिरने में तेरी हार नहीं, तू इंसान है अवतार नहीं, गिर उठ चल फिर, क्योंकि जिंदगी संक्षिप्त है, इसका कोई सार नहीं. जीतूंगा मैं या खुद से वादा करो, जितना सोचते हो कोशिश उससे ज्यादा करो. तकदीर भी रूठे पर हिम्मत ना टूटे, मजबूत इतना अपना इरादा करो. समा परवाने को जलना सिखाती है, शाम सूरज को ढलना सिखाती है. मुसाफिर को ठोकरों से होती तो है चोट, लेकिन ठोकरें ही मुसाफिर को चलना सिखाती है. At last, be positive. Your mind is more powerful than you think. What is down in the well comes up in the bucket. Fill yourself with positive things. Thank you. Have a positive and good day.
Thank you, Sudha, for your words of motivation. Next, moving further, I would like to call Manas Gupta for a speech on positive thinking and positive thoughts.
सीढ़ियाँ उन्हें मुबारक जिन्हें छत तक जानी है, सीढ़ियाँ उन्हें मुबारक जिन्हें छत तक जानी है, हमारी मंजिल तो आसमान है, अपने रास्ते खुद बनाने हैं. Good morning to our respected principal sir and respected teachers and my brothers and sisters. I am Anas from class 9. I am here to represent my view on positive thinking or positive attitude. Positive thinking means it is the thing that makes or breaks on a person. We have to do work with positive thing to get the best on this work. But we have to do and work with negative thing, then the result are not so good. Thinking are very important to do anything our life perfectly. If you have a positive attitude in life, you will always look at the better side of things. You will always bring the positive out of every situation. This will keep you content and happy and will keep your mind peaceful, and positive things spread positive environment. Being negative things never make it. Thank you.
Thank you, Manas, for your words of motivation. It really motivated us a lot. Now, moving further, let's have a change with a special performance by Vaishnavi Shukla. So, I request Vaishnavi to please come over here for her special performance by singing a song.
Good morning, everyone. सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। ना 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 na 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. सबके बोझ ने झुकाया, रिश्वत देना तो खुद पापा ने सिखाया। 99% लाओगे तो घड़ी, वरना छड़ी। लिख लिख कर पड़ा हथेली पर अल्फा बीटा गामा का छाला। कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 ने पूरा बचपन जला डाला। बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। ना 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 na 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give some sunshine, give me some rain, Give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Thank you, sir.
Well done. Continue.
Thanks, Vaishnavi. Thanks a lot. Now, you can't always have a good day, but you can always face a bad day with good and positive attitudes. Moving further, I would like to invite Diksha to deliver the thought of the day.
Morning everyone, this is Diksha Tripathi from class 9th and I am here to present a thought on positive attitude. What events and outcomes? It is a catalyst and it sparks extraordinary results. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks, Diksha. I hope you all will remember this thought and try to act accordingly. A great day becomes a great attitude. A great attitude becomes a great day, which becomes a great month, and which becomes a great year, and which becomes a great life. We should always face problem with good and fresh and positive attitude. So now I request our Honorable Principal Sir to please announce anything if it is required.
Thank you so much, Anushka and your team. You all really made me, feel proud on you all. You guys are amazing. Your talent, whatever you are having, that is being represented online. So that's really great. And a special congratulations to the class teacher who helped you to prepare all these things. Well done, class 9 standard. All the students, you are appreciable.